What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today's Christmas. We're gonna do an unboxing of these two right here. We got Leaf Metal Basketball, and we also got Allen & Ginter 2021. I'm gonna leave this sealed for another day. So we're gonna have probably like 25 packs. Let's start with let's do that at the end. So we're gonna have 24 packs. We're gonna have like a lot of, I'm just gonna leave them in here. Might as well take them all out when we're ready. Open our first pack up. There we go. Netter, Bagwell, Clemens, Sanchez, Cunningham, Cormier, small card. That's a Hernandez and a Abertus. So I'm gonna put base pile over here. Over here, mini cards and other cards. And we should get an auto in this as well, in this box. Okay. I think we have a mini card in there as well. Anderson, Gibson, Tucker, Brock, Gonzalez, Perez. We got another mini card. It's Bauer. And 38 in a series of 50. Mohamed Murad. So Murad rookie card. Not numbered, but nice card. Just, there you go. Next card. Yeah, let's move these over here and get these mini cards over there. I put this base cards. I want to shout out Jab's family for this idea. It is Christmas, so I got these for Christmas. Verdugo, Gray, Seager, Lesnow, Goldschmidt, Gimenez, another small card, Anthony, and Rainbow Lorikeet. As we got a lot of base as well. Next pack. Harper, Peish, Kim, Canapella, Gonzalez, Latisu. We have another mini card. Far, far away. And then we have another 21 in a series of 50. Philadelphia, Bryce Harper. Put that there. We got mini cards right here. And then we should get a mini card every single pack. So well, you just gotta be looking out for the rip cards and also autograph cards, or cards. Historical hits. And a hats off. They got a lot of base as well. Meadows, Bart, Keller, Cabrera, Doby, Brocker, Big Poppy, and a sand shark. Put this piece over there. Alright, so probably like, let's see, 1, 2, 3, oops, 3, 4, 5. So we're 6 packs into the 24 packs that are in this box. So this is going to be our 7th pack. I really want an autograph card from here. L'Oreal, Adele, Wheeler, Caprian. Oh, first hit. Memorabilia card. DeJong. Paul DeJong, star shortstop of St. Louis. And is that the memorabilia contained in this card is not from any specific game event? Okay, that's pretty cool. I actually like that. That's a bat, if I'm not mistaken, and it says it's game used. So I'm gonna put all the hits right there, and we ended off with a Keller mini card and a great white shark. So let's see. We can get Bauer, Yunt, Snell, Castillo, Cronsworth, Barrios, Tatis, and Sammy Sosa. So we got another. Let me put this one right here. Put that in that stack, and then we got a lot of base. Ah, put that base over there. Got a lot more packs in this. And then, if you want me to do more of these, comment down below what you would like to see next. Spain, Murray, Jackson, Schmidt, Avian, Alan Ginter, World Leaders, and Rallying Back. As there goes some more base as well. And I'm probably going to pull out rookies. That was almost bad. Let's see if we can get something good. Kelly, Rodriguez, Hewer, Bench, Garcia Pera, Bradley Jr., Gonzalez, and we have a Ty Cobb. Yeah, this would go in this. These are like the inserts, basically. Then you got, so our big hit right now is the Paul DeJong card from St. Louis with his bat, and it was game used, but it wasn't from a specific event. So let's see if we can find an autograph in there. I would love to see that. Giolito, Rizzo, Calhoun, Griffey Jr., Jackie Robinson, Urias, Glesnow, and another one, 30, a series of 50, Juan Soto. There goes more base. There we go. Baker, Votto, Howard, Stroman, Bissinger, Zito, Vaughn, and Steve Garvey. Historical hits. So I want to see if we can find a rip card in here. So, because I could rip it, or I don't have to. Piazza, Stanton, Morgan, Guerrero Jr., Henderson, Allen, Juan Soto, mini card, and Baltimore Orioles, 4 and 50. We still have plenty of packs in this box, because this is a big box of cards. So let's see if we can get a rare card in this pack. Turner, Carter, Marquez, Carlson, DeGrom, Ohtani, Clemente, and a railing back. I mean, these packs are not too shabby, but honestly, I really want to see. I really want to see a autograph, because I really want to see what it looks like in person. Blue, Garcia, Foam, Uncle Larry, Rivera, Perez, and Derek Jeter, historical hits. There goes more base. So we have about 3, 5, and 3. So that's 9 packs left. Marquez, Snyder, Quintana, Pickett, Smith, Mountcastle, Larkin, and Allen Ginter. So these are some inserts. Let's see. I really want a rip card or an autograph in this box. Okay, we could take that from the back. Conforto. Oh, another patch. Scott Poland, star third baseman of the Toronto Blue Jays. Game used. Memorable container this card. That's nice. So we got 2 memorabilia cards right now. Which is, I mean, it's decent. Take this from the back. You got this card. A Ty Cobb mini card. Wow. A Larkin. The world champions Larkin. Game used memorabilia card. 3rd of genuine tops. That's really nice. And it's game used bat. So we've got 3 memorabilia cards in this box, which is actually really good, honestly, because we just got 2 memorabilias in a row. Yeah, there you go. So we're gonna take this out, and then this mini card. We got 2 mini cards. World champions. commemorating the picture cards brought out in the year 1887. So that's probably one of the good base mini card, or not a base, but so we're running out of packs. 5 packs left. I hope we can hit an auto right here. This one feels normal. But I really hope we can hit a rip card or an auto, because I think rip cards are fat. Oop. Put that in there. Ricky Henderson. That's a nice one. Far, far away. And then we got one. Nope. We got Manny Machado. Let's see if you can find anything here. No. Let's see if our final packs can get us anything. 3 packs on the board right now. Let's see if we can get anything. Cranky. And a... Nope, nothing. Can these packs clutch up? Can these packs clutch up for us? As we get another one. Sixto Sanchez. And I got a hats off. Nope. Oh, down to our last pack. And there's no mini card in here. So that will end this box. And here's our top pulls. Larkin, Esron, and Paul DeJong. And now, this is what I'm excited for right now. 2021, 2022 Leaf Metal Basketball Trading Cards. 9 autographed cards per box, plus one of one autograph slab. So I'm just gonna... There we go. So here, let's sleeve some of these. Let's sleeve our cards that we got. Alright, so we're gonna... Sorry, I'm a mess today. But it's been crazy. Today was one of the best Christmases, in my opinion. So, I'm just getting reorganized right now. Get these here. So, we're probably going to need these for the metal. So, we're going to put one for this one. It's not numbered, but I love this card. So I'm going to put this in here. Dang, I'm in troubles. I have to slit the corner. Okay. Dude, I'm struggling.